Ever wondered why your credit score was different for each credit bureau? Well, wonder no more because I got 60 seconds. I'm going to tell you. The simple answer is that there's just not one credit score. There's dozens of different credit scores. You have Vantage Score 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0. Then there's FICO 2, 4, all the way up to 10 and 10T. You see where I'm going with this? Each bank, lender, or creditor uses a different scoring model to calculate your score. So when they send you letters after an approval or denial, it has your score on it. Just know another bank may see you differently. Now let's talk about accounts. You may have a collection, for example, on TransUnion and not have anything on Experian. That's because not all creditors report to all three bureaus, and then they also don't pull from each three bureaus. Here's a bonus tip. Before you apply for credit, Google which credit bureau that particular company you're trying to apply with uses. For example, Navy Federal will pull from TransUnion. So before applying with them, you need to make sure your TransUnion credit report is strong. I'm Lionel with Evoke Credit. My 60 seconds are up, and I'm out.